Hi, in this video I will show how to freeze the first line in Google Sheets. So we have this Google Sheet and we have entered multiple entries, but we don't see anymore the first line. So if we need to still seeing the first line, I click on view, freeze, and I click one row. So I did a freeze for the first row, and now when I move, the first row is still here. Okay, and if I need to remove the freeze, view freeze, no, so I remove. I can freeze, for example, up to number of lines. Let's say view freeze. Let's first you will select number 7, the record number 7, view freeze up to row 7. So the freeze is here as you see, and now it has been done. This was for today, and thank you for watching.